Char, get off! Stop doing that! Char! No, I can't get out, come on! Oh no, it stinks! Char!
Fun fact, I actually can. Pull my finger.
Char! Oh, Char!
I really need to toot, but I've got a plug in. I'm gonna try it.
Char!
Do women really toot? I don't know.
Living every man's dream.
ASMR farting edition. Oh. I think we're done.
Oh, Char! Char! No, you can't. You say something, babe.
No, not at all. ASMR farting edition.
Obviously, you being added to the waiting list, and then for a match, I can't say exactly how long it could be. It could be a matter of months.
I'll see you soon. Thank you for coming. Bye, 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 bye. Oh. Oh. I will with your dad's dick.
Oh, Char!
I am the human whoopee cushion.
Oh, Char, no, no, come on, that's not fair.
Oh, this feels so bad. Oh my god.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, I've been trying to keep them in all day, but my tummy hurts. I've got to let it out. Oh, oh my god, that feels better. Oh! I'm in the fun here. It echoes really well, so I hope it will echo. Hey.
Hi.
What you doing?
Reading.
It's better than in.